Hi, hello. I'm going to be doing an introduction to the Flaticon platform for you. So before we get started, I just have a question for you. And I want to ask you if you have ever found yourself scrolling the Google Images page for the perfect icon to complete your slide. Give me a thumbs up or just nod your head, just reflect on your own if you can relate. Now, somehow, none of these icons were just right. So instead, you settled for this guy. So, in order to solve that issue of trying to find the right icon, Flat Icon provides designers, developers, and other users with a wide range of icons and vector images that can be used in projects such as website design, app development, presentations, courses, workshops, and so much more. So, in this quick lesson, we're going to cover what Flat Icon can do, how to use Flat Icon in instructional design, and some pros and cons. So let's start with a quick video demo of Flat Icon. So when you create an account, this is what the platform looks like inside. So you can select from a variety of icons in there. There's different groups of icons. It'll show you the top icons or top stickers, collections, and so much more. So there's a lot to scroll through. But if you're looking for something specific, you can go straight to the search bar and type in exactly what you're looking for. So for example, online learning. And then you can view a selection of different icons related to online learning. So click the one that interests you, and then you can click copy PNG or download the PNG. And that's how it works. So, one great feature I want to point out to you is the filter tool to help you find icons with specific colors and shapes. So, you can see here based on the arrow, I've selected red and outline. And these are the person icons that I got. Much better than our guy at the beginning, right? So, how can we use Flat Icon in instructional design? So, number one, enhanced presentations. Make your presentations more visually appealing by using icons to illustrate key points, processes, or data. This helps to break text heavy content and makes the content easier to digest and more memorable. Number two, interactive e-learning. In e-learning modules, you can use the animated icons from Flat Icon alongside elements in your training that are meant to be more interactive. Infographics and job aids. In infographics or job aids, icons can represent statistics, steps in a process, or key takeaways. Course icons. You can simply use icons to represent courses or module sections just to help your learners navigate the process. And storyboarding. Icons can be very helpful when planning your instructional content for your storyboard or outline to help you visualize the flow and the structure. Those icons can also represent different activities or elements in your learning experience. So let's go through a quick visual example. Here is some sample text of steps in learning how to swim. And then if you go into Flat Icon, here are the different types of graphics that you can find. So there's an example of icons, stickers, and animated GIFs. So depending on what you're looking for, there's something for you in Flat Icon. So let's talk about some pros and some cons. On the plus side, there is a completely free version that you can use indefinitely. There's no free trial needed. Next, there is an extensive icon library, over 11 million icons. So chances are you're going to find what you're looking for. And of course, as you saw, there are filters to help you refine your search. And lastly, the paid version is reasonably priced at $10.42 per month. As for the negatives, again, in order to use premium features, there is a fee. So if you're looking for something free with all those premium features, that's not what you're going to find. Next, there is limited editability. So you can't really edit the icons. The filters will help you find what you're looking for, but if it's not exactly right, it's difficult to edit. And finally, licensing the icons is a bit complex. So you'll notice at the bottom of the page, I've included a line of text that reads, "This slide has been designed using images from flaticon.com." However, on certain icons, there are specific requirements to credit the designer. So you'll just have to pay attention to what you'll have to do when you're using the free version. And also, the free version only allows for PNG downloads, not other vector formats. And that's it. That is a quick lesson on flat icon. So if you do have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. And don't forget to connect with us online at drivenbycode.com for more. Thank you.